Are you tired of dealing with stubborn blackheads on your face? Well, fret not, because today we will discuss a natural blackhead removal process. First, start by steaming your face to open up your pores. This will make it easier to extract the blackheads later on. Next, make a paste using baking soda and water to create an exfoliating scrub. Gently massage this scrub onto your face in circular motions. The baking soda will help to unclog your pores and remove dead skin cells. Another effective natural remedy is using a mixture of honey and cinnamon. Apply this mixture to your blackhead-affected areas and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Honey has antibacterial properties while cinnamon helps to improve blood circulation. You can also create a mask using activated charcoal and aloe vera gel. Apply this mask to your face and let it dry before rinsing it off. Activated charcoal is known for its ability to draw out impurities from the skin. For a gentler approach, try using green tea as a toner. Simply brew some green tea, let it cool, and apply it to your face using a cotton ball. Green tea helps to reduce oil production and fight bacteria. Remember to moisturize your skin after these treatments to keep it hydrated. Stay consistent with these natural remedies for best results. With patience and dedication, you can achieve a clearer, blackhead-free complexion. So say goodbye to those pesky blackheads and embrace naturally beautiful skin.